Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today's lesson is vocabulary. Kindly take writing coach and open page 165. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify, understand, and use the suffix ion. Use the KWL chart to write what you already know about this suffix, what you want to know or to learn about this suffix, and finally what you've learned in the end of the lesson. Alright, suffixes ion, which is the focus of today's lesson. A suffix is a word that is added to the end of a base word. This is, you will know it as opposed to a prefix. A suffix changes the meaning of the word and how it is used in a sentence. This is really repeated each lesson. We have suffixes or prefixes. So, for example, the suffix ion is a noun-making suffix. So the function of this suffix is to change verbs into nouns. Often, a verb can be changed into a noun by adding the suffix ion, as well as by making spelling changes. For example, the verb progress becomes the noun progression by adding ion. So from a verb, we change it to a noun by adding this suffix ion. So the first exercise, think about the verb given in each item. Write the noun form of the verb from the list below. So this is quite easy because you already have the list here. So what we do, we just read the verb and then we take the noun and put it beside it. For example, possess, the noun is possession. Liberate, the noun is liberation. Succeed, succession. Ignite, ignition. Persuade, persuasion. Confuse, confusion. Provide, provision. And invert, inversion. I think this is very easy. I will not waste time here. I will leave this for you just in case. You do it, take a picture, send it to me via Gmail in private message. All right, the exercise that matters, that is more important. What we have to do is simply take those nouns that we studied in part A and use them to complete each sentence. We are allowed to use each word only once from part A, or in particular each noun. And also we may use the plural form when necessary. All right, let's start. We took one test after another this week. It was a whole succession of tests, which means one after one. In science, we took a test on weather. I got every answer right except the one about temperature inversion. We also had a general science test. It had questions about pollution and automobile emission. It also had questions about viruses, bacteria, and infection. We had a writing test with two parts. In one part, we had to use persuasion to make an argument in favor of tough sentences for drug possession. In another test, we had to explain a simple process such as removing car keys from the car's ignition. I will leave the rest for you to complete it. Only 3 words left. Try to read it all. Look for context clues. For example, here car keys. Removing car keys, simple process, removing car keys from the cars. Those are all, hence they help me know the word. And make sure you know or you understand the words, the meaning of the words, all of the words that we studied. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. Take care and see you later. Goodbye.